So for this exercise part here, what you want to do now is we are going to create a folder here. So first of all, let me close all of this. So this time around, you are going to create a new folder here. So click out, then you want to name it exercise. Okay. Then either down this. So inside of this, we are going to be having our first exercise based on what we've done so far. So right inside of this, you want to create a new file inside the folder, and you can name it C++, or we can just say, let's put it this way, and just name the file 01 hyphen variable hyphen data types hyphen exercise or CPP inside it here. Either down that. So the exercise which you are going to do now, you just have to pause the video so I can just write that. Then you practice the exercise right away. So here is the exercise, and what you can just do now is to try out everything here. So the comments are above the where you need to get started. So you get started right inside this file, and then you practice everything. Okay, so that's the first one. So the next exercise now this time around is for you to actually create another file inside this exercise. And this time around, you just have to gently click on the folder which you want to create the file inside of. So click on the exercise, you click on this new file. So this time we are going to create 02-const.cpp. You do down that, and then the exercise which you are going to actually do for this is going to be this right here. Okay, so it's just a simple exercise which you should try. So that's it. If you don't get it, of course you can check it out. So this is not going to be done, but you just have to try it, and then if you're stuck, just let us know. Right, so that's the second exercise. So you do that, and then you get to submit that.